My name's John. I'm here at Mart. I'm the warehouse manager for Mart here in Evendale. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Victory LX. It has a 400-pound weight capacity and it'll go up to 8.6 miles per hour. And it'll do 13 miles per charge. It does have turn signals, under tiller light, front light, and it will disassemble into 4 pieces, so you can put it in the trunk of your car or in the back seat of your van or SUV. It does have an easy adjust tiller knob, so you can adjust the tiller where you want it, where it's easier for you. And it does have the swivel seat, which will make it easier to get on and off of the scooter with ease. It does have the variable speed where you can adjust your speed according to how you want to go. This type of scooter as well will get you to the parks, soccer fields, baseball fields, around Kings Island or different amusement parks. Again, this is the Victory LX Sport. If you'd like to know more about this scooter or any of our other products, stop into one of our many showrooms, talk to one of our knowledgeable staff members, or visit us at medmart.com.